Hello, it's Filo. Welcome or welcome back. I know I'm late for June, but it's here. It's all under control. Kind of. See, the fact is that I still film everything on my phone and I edit on my phone. So when the phone is not working, Filo is not working. Let me rephrase that. When the phone is not working, Filo is working double hard and nothing is working. So that's basically what happened this month. But let's start with the beginning. For my June theme, I was inspired by the apricots I have in my garden. I actually have a bunch of them this year and I'm so happy. But the climate here in Madrid is really dry and suddenly it started pouring rain, but like it usually does in March maybe, but definitely not in May. So all the apricots exploded and now we'll see what we can save. So anyway, the idea was to do more of a layering theme with collages using all the fruit stickers I have. So for example, here in the cover, I used peaches. In fact, we also have peaches in our garden, but they're not ready yet. And then I wanted to bring out all the summery colors. This summer, I will also be doing 3 short trips to Catalonia. So it was the perfect opportunity to use these sticker sheets with a traveling theme by Plan Dream Live. Other than that, I think that everything else I used in this theme is from Stationery Pal, but anyway, I will link everything down below. To frame this spread, I'm adding some splashes and then a stamp to remind a postcard, but I'm being very careful not to ink the Eiffel Tower because I'm not traveling to France. As a Parisian, originally at least, not now, I don't really like to see Eiffel Towers everywhere. I'm now starting with my memories page. So the thing is that I have now a diary, but I don't write every day in it. I write more kind of when something happens or when I just feel like reflecting on something. But I still like to keep a memory spread in my bullet journal each month where I'm just being more concise and I just record main events and their dates. Then I was so excited to use those kind of picture frames I got on Amazon, but I soon realized that it shines so much, you almost can see it when I lay my notebook flat, but it's still cool in real life. I also keep a mini calendar on this page with my timesheet for work. By the time I got to my monthly spread, I really needed some summer vibes. Even though I won't lie, I don't miss the crazy heat we have usually in June. That will come soon enough. And that's when I started to bring out the colors. First some beige, very conservative for me, just like the cover. And then some green and blue. That was actually inspired by the flower stickers I got from Stationery Pal. And then I'm adding my social media trackers. By the way, you can check out my Instagram if you don't follow me there yet. And now let me show you my new essential stationery tool. It's a mini desk cleaner. I don't remember how I could do without that before. I've noticed that when I do a more doodly theme, I use more stamps, and when I do more of a collage theme, I tend to use calligraphy. For summer, I'm giving more space to my book section because I just got a bunch of books and I'm so excited to read them, and I think I will have more time and I will be able to read more. And that's when I realized I wanted more contrast to make the colors pop up. And I added my beloved craft paper. No, but honestly, it makes everything look so much better. I just had to redo my header really quick because the first one will be covered by the craft paper. So the thing is that those picture stickers I'm using are really transparent. So I found out that sticking them on this kind of background paper was making them pop out more. And besides, they have this picnic pattern and this sea with fish, so perfect for my theme. As you can see, I brought all the lemon stickers on this page, and then I filled it with flowers in my color palette. I also changed my mind a couple times, as always, but thankfully everything is easy to peel off and replace. I even added a bit of washi tape to bring everything together and kind of frame the spread, but I'm not convinced, so I didn't use more washi tape in the other spreads. And finally, a couple of postal stamps for the traveling vibe, and we're done with this spread. I'm actually very excited to show you my weeklies because there are a bunch of new layouts. I mean, new for me, for this account, but not new in the history of spreads, obviously. So for this first weekly, the layout is inspired by Mingo Studio. I will link her channel down below. I never miss her videos, that's all I have to say. And I'm bringing out my new clear stamps with months, days and dates. So in this layout, we're only decorating the bottom left and top right corner and embracing the white space. So while I'm doing the collage, let me explain what happened actually with my phone. I filmed 5 different weeklies, but apparently it's too much for my phone to handle. So when I try and edit everything together, it just dies every time. So today you'll see the first 2 weeklies and then I will edit the remaining 3 weeklies in another video next week or before. I just have to figure out why this keeps happening and it hasn't happened before. But I guess my phone is a bit old now and I really should start filming with a proper camera. Remember that you can see still pictures of my weeklies and other spreads on my Instagram and save them easily for inspiration. I also always share the recreations you tag me in. Now I'm adding flowers everywhere. They come in 3 different sizes with this color scheme. And for the remaining 2 corners, just a couple of stickers with sunglasses and a coffee cup. Finally, I'm adding the dates with my clear stamps, and that's it. I don't often do weeklies without daily boxes, but they're actually quicker and easier to set up. And I saw this layout on Mingo Studio's account again, and I had to try. Unfortunately, my phone is starting to act weird again, so I'm gonna have to leave you for now, but I'll see you again at the end of the video for the flip through. and it's time for the final flip through. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Until then, enjoy planning!